Inkonzo yamapolisa oMzantsi Afrika ikhuphe ingxelo ye-Operation Shanela yeveki ephelileyo ebiqhubeka kwilizwe liphela. Eliphulo ebelibandakanya ukuvalwa kwendlela likhokhelele ekubanjweni kwabarhanelwa abangaphezulu kwe-12 lamawaka. iKwaZulu-Natal ibike elona nani liphezulu lababanjiweyo ngokunxulumene nokubulawa kwabantu, ngelixa iNtshona Koloni iphala phambili ngababanjelwe iziyobisi.
The South African Police Service arrested 12,892 suspects from the period starting Monday, 17 March 2025, ending on Sunday, 23 March 2025. Just this week alone, the following arrests were made. 1,753 wanted suspects were arrested for various serious and violent crimes, such as murder, attempted murder, rape, business and house robberies. 167 suspects were arrested for murder. Majority of these suspects were arrested in KwaZulu-Natal with 45, followed by Western Cape with 42. 123 suspects were arrested for attempted murder. 165 suspects were arrested for rape. 54 of these arrests were made in KwaZulu-Natal. 1,794 suspects were arrested for assault GBH during this period. 203 drug dealers were arrested in the past week. Majority of these suspects were arrested in Eastern Cape with 47. 1,507 suspects were arrested for being in possession of drugs. Majority of these suspects were arrested in Western Cape with 689. 115 suspects were arrested for being in the illegal possession of firearms. Majority of these suspects were arrested in KwaZulu-Natal with 37. 10 suspects were arrested for human trafficking during this period. 432 drivers were arrested for drunk and driving in the past week. Majority of arrests in KwaZulu-Natal with 121. 119 firearms were confiscated in the past week. 1,335 rounds of ammunition were also confiscated. 76 hijacked and stolen vehicles were also recovered during this week's operations.